How to repair a robot. Welcome to our tutorial on how to repair a robot. Robots are becoming increasingly common in our daily lives, and they are used in a variety of industries, from manufacturing to healthcare. However, like any machine, robots can break down or malfunction. In this tutorial, we will show you how to diagnose and repair common problems that robots may encounter. A robot with visible damage or malfunction. Before we begin, it's important to note that repairing a robot can be dangerous. Always make sure to follow proper safety procedures and wear protective gear when working with robots. Additionally, if you are not familiar with the specific model of robot you are working on, it's best to consult the manufacturer's manual or seek professional help. A person wearing protective gear and holding a manual. With that said, let's get started. The first step in repairing a robot is to diagnose the problem. There are several common issues that robots may encounter, such as mechanical problems, electrical problems, or software issues. A robot with visible mechanical damage, a robot with visible electrical damage, and a robot with a software error message. Mechanical problems can include things like broken or worn out parts, while electrical problems can include issues with the robot's wiring or power supply. Software issues can range from simple error messages to more complex programming problems. A person examining a robot with a tool. To diagnose the problem, you will need to examine the robot closely and look for any visible damage or signs of malfunction. You may also need to run diagnostic tests or check the robot's error logs to pinpoint the issue. A person running diagnostic tests on a robot. Once you have identified the problem, the next step is to repair or replace any damaged parts. This may involve disassembling the robot, removing the damaged parts, and installing new ones. A person disassembling a robot and replacing a damaged part. It's important to use the correct tools and follow proper procedures when repairing a robot. This will help ensure that the robot is repaired correctly and safely. A person using the correct tools to repair a robot. In the next segment of this tutorial, we will go into more detail on how to repair specific types of robot problems, such as mechanical, electrical, and software issues. A person holding a tool and looking at a robot. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next segment.